Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I hope all of you are preparing well for your May examinations, and I have a Kutty story again for all of you. There was a boy who was studying really hard for his exams and he was vexed with his preparation because he's studying, he's writing the exams and he's not clearing. Again, he's studying, writing the exams and not clearing, and it is like a vicious loop that he is in. He's so vexed and he has decided to even quit the course. Now he is going to his grandmother and he's saying, I'm really irritated. I just want to quit this course. Now the grandmother is asking, do you want to be a carrot? Or do you want to be an egg? Or do you want to be a coffee bean? He is extremely confused. What am I saying and what are you even asking? He is extremely irritated and confused. Now the grandmom is saying, please wait, son. Come with me to the kitchen. In the kitchen, she puts three different bowls with water, and in one bowl she puts the carrot, in the other bowl she puts the egg, and the other bowl she puts the coffee beans, and now the water starts boiling. You can see that the carrot was actually hard before, and now it has become soft and mushy and weak. In the second bowl where she put the eggs, it was fragile before. If you put the egg down, the egg is gonna break. It was fragile before, but now it has become hard and bitter on the inside. But if you see the coffee beans on the other hand, it has transformed the water itself, and from the water you get a beautiful aromatic smell. So she is again asking, the carrots, it started really strong, but it lost its strength in its tough times. And if you see the eggs, it seemed really soft, but it became hard and bitter at a later stage. But if you see the coffee beans did not just endure the challenges, but it transformed the surroundings for a better surrounding. It transformed the work itself, the beautiful aromatic smell from the water of the coffee beans. Now, again she is asking him, are you weak like the carrot? Do you want to weaken like the carrot? Or do you want to become very hard and rigid like the egg? Or do you want to transform your challenges like the coffee bean, where the surrounding itself, the hard surrounding, the adverse situation, the coffee beans was able to transform? Do you want to be like that? I want you to just close your eyes. Think for 1 or 2 minutes about these three situations which I just said, and I want you to think, yes, it is difficult. I understand it is difficult. Studying for 7 or 8 hours, and it's so normalized to study for 7 or 8 hours in a CA course. It is difficult. There are so many challenges which is thrown at us. But you have to decide what you want to be. Whether you want to be a carrot, whether you want to be an egg, or whether you want to transform the surroundings. Yes, it is very much possible. Whether you want to be a coffee bean. Please think about this. Just 1 or 2 minutes I want you to spend on this, guys. All the very best for your exams.